In this video, I'll be showing you how to get or set your big clock on Samsung lock screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings application, then scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD as one of the options. So we're just going to go ahead and find that right now. Once you go ahead and do, go ahead and click on it. Now within that, you're going to see edit lock screen. So you're going to see a lot of different things right here. But what we want to do is just go ahead and find that lock screen section. So we're going to see it right at the bottom where it says edit lock screen. Go ahead and click on it. And then what you want to do is tap directly on your current clock widget box at the very top. Now, once you're here, what you want to go ahead and do is that you're going to see a customization toolbar tray instantly slide up. Now, then you're just going to go ahead and select your preferred clock like space or style, like so. You can choose whichever one you want. So if I want to go ahead and have a big clock or anything, I can just choose something like this. And then as you can see, when you select it, you're going to see those like corner things that you can basically just go ahead and drag, and you can make it as big as you want. And this isn't obviously the only style you can do this with. For example, if I want to do something like this, I can also choose something like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.